children, good morning. How are you all? Yes, I am Asma teacher. I am going to take first standard English subject. So here is a lesson, Manu and his family. Before going to know about Manu and his family, I will teach you how to introduce your family to your friend. So now, shall we start? Yes. Hi friends, now I am going to tell you few things about my family. My family includes my mother, father, my elder brother, my younger sister, my grandfather and my grandmother. I love my family very much. Mother. My mother's name is Deepa. She cooks me food. She takes care of me and entire family. I called her Mummy. Father. My father's name is Rahul. He is an engineer. He goes to office. He helped me in studies. I called him Daddy. My brother's name is Rishi. He is elder to me by 3 years. He takes me to school every day. My sister's name is Monica. She is younger to me 2 years. I like to play with her. My father's mother is my grandmother. My mother's mother is also my grandmother. She tells me stories. My father's father is my grandfather. My mother's father is also my grandfather. He takes me to the park every day. Family is eats together, prays together, lives together. This is my family. Okay children, now I am going to show you the family picture and members of family. Yes, see here, this is me. Okay, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother and sister. This is my family. My family is very sweet family. Okay children, now we are going to move the lesson Manu and his family. We will know how is Manu's family. Before going for the lesson reading, we will learn some new words and basic words. Okay, I am going to read one by one words. Concentrate and repeat after me and by heart all the words. Okay? Yes. Shall we start now? New words. Family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. H-O-U-S-E. House. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. These are all new words. Come to the basic words. Which words? Tell me, children. Basic words. Yes. THIS, this. HE, he. Iron, in. SHE, she. NAME, name. WITH, with. AND, and. TEN, ten. PLAY, play. DOG, what it pronounce? Come on children, tell me. DOG, dog. HAS, has. BIG, big. ON, on. TO, two. BOOKS, books. These are all basic words. You have to read all the new words, basic words, as well as copy down in your notebook with neat handwriting. Okay? Very good. Okay children, now we will move on for the lesson reading. Lesson name is Manu and his family. Yes, this is Manu. See, here is Manu. What is his name? Tell me. His name is Manu. He lives in Ranchi. Where does he live? He lives in Ranchi. Where do you live? Tell me. Yes? Yes, you live in Dharwad. But Manu lives in which place? Ranchi. This is Manu's house. See children, here is a house. This is Manu's house. His mother is a doctor. What is Manu's mother do? She is a doctor. How you identify she is a doctor? She wear a apron, stethoscope. So we identify she is a doctor. Her name is Veena Kumari. What's her name? Veena Kumari. She works in Amber Hospital. Where does she work? In Amber Hospital. Do you know the hospital? Did you see that hospital? See, here is a hospital. In the hospital, there will be an ambulance. We go to the hospital to, if we get illness or anything, we consult the doctor. So, tell me children, Manu's mother name is Veena Kumari. She is a doctor and she works in Amber Hospital. Yes children, turn your page. Here, Manu's father is a teacher. See, here is a teacher. He is Manu's father. What is he doing? He is teaching. His name is Ravi Kumar. What's his name? Ravi Kumar. He works in Central School. Where he works? He works in Central School. So, totally Manu's father is a teacher. His name is Ravi Kumar. He works in Central School. Here is Manu with his family. See children, here is a Manu with his family. He lives with his mother, his father, his grandpa, his grandma, and his little sister Meeta. You can see in this picture Manu with his mother, his father, his grandfather, his grandmother, and her sister Meeta. See, Meeta is 10 months old. How many years old that Meeta is? She is 10 months old. Who is Meeta? Come on, tell me. Yes, Meeta is Manu's sister. Manu loves to play with Meeta. He always loved to play with Meeta. You also playing with your cousins, brothers, sisters? No? Like Manu is also very happy to play with his sister Meeta. Yes. Manu has a dog called Spot. What is the dog's name? The dog's name is Spot. See children, this is Manu's dog. Its name is Spot. He is white and has a big black spot on him. It is in a white color and big spot on him. Everyone have a pets in your home, right? So some pets are cat, goat, cow, dog. Like that, Manu has a pet. Its name is Spot. Every morning, Manu and Spot play in the garden. Manu throws a ball. See children, here Manu is playing in the garden with its Spot. With its Spot. What they are playing? They are playing with the ball. Where they are playing? They are playing in the garden. Yes. Spot runs after the ball. He wags his tail hard. He is happy to be outside. How is dog playing with Manu? How is Spot is playing with Manu? Whenever Manu throws the ball, he runs happily and catch the ball and bring it to Manu. And Spot is very happy to play with Manu as well as outside. In the evening, Manu takes Meeta out in her pram. They go to the park. Grandpa goes with them. Spot goes with them too. Every evening, see here, Manu and his grandpa and Meeta and Spot will going for the walk in the park. See children, here is the park. Who is Meeta? Meeta is Manu's sister. Who is Spot? Spot is a Manu's pet dog. So all are going to the park every evening. Many boys and girls play in the park. Meeta sees them and laughs. Whenever you are going to the park, no? That time, what you see in the park? Yes, you can see here slide, seesaw, swing. All boys and girls are playing with joyfully. Watching these joyfully playing, Meeta laughs very much. So she is enjoying the park environment. That's why Manu take Meeta to go to the park with Grandpa and Spot. Manu has many books. Every night his grandma reads to him. Manu likes to look at the words and pictures. See children, here Manu and her grandma sitting on the study room. Manu has lots of books and grandma telling stories to him, and Manu is happy. For what he is happy? Only for the looking words and the pictures. Manu is sleepy. He hugs his teddy bear and goes to sleep. Spot is sleepy too. Can you see him? See children, here after whole day finishing, at the night time Manu is feeling very sleepy. So he went to his bed and take a teddy and hug it tightly with a lovable and goes to sleep. Here is a Spot that is also feeling very sleepy. You can see here in this picture. Overall, the thing is Manu's family. Okay. See children, in Manu's family, her mother is a doctor. She works in Amber Hospital. Her name is Veena Kumar and they live in Ranchi. And Manu's father name is Ravi Kumar. He is a teacher. He works in Central School. And his grandpa takes to him park every evening with Meeta and Spot also. And Meeta is a sister of Manu. She is 10 months old and Manu is happy to play with her. And Manu's dog's name is Spot. What is the Manu's dog name? Spot. Okay. Spot also play with him very joyfully outside. Manu's grandma tell the story to him every day because Manu has a lots of books and he is only interested to see the pictures and words. After finishing the day, all day, he feels sleepy. When he go to the bed, he take his teddy bear and hug it tightly and say good night to all. So that is Manu and his family. Okay children, we have completed the lesson Manu and his family. Now here is a homework for you. Write all new words and basic words twice in your notebook. All the basic words and common words you have to write down in your notebook and by heart it. Neatly I want. Okay. Next, read the lesson twice with the correct pronunciation. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.